Hi, I'm Parker.
And I'm Jasmine.
And today we're going to be drawing a flamingo, something like this.
That's right, so grab your paper and a pencil and let's get started. We're going to go ahead and start off with a circle for the head. You can draw any kind of eye that you want. I'm going to draw like a really large eye with maybe like a white circle inside and then color around it. We're both using a Sharpie so we can fill it in, but if you're using a pencil, don't worry, you can color that in later. Ooh, very nice. All right, so now we're going to draw a beak. So we're going to draw it going out to the side and down. Very nice. And we're going to do another line for the middle of the beak. One more line for the bottom of the beak. Cool. And if you want to, flamingos sometimes have like a black tip on their beak. So you could just draw a little line for now, or if you want to, you can also fill that in. All right, so flamingos have very long necks, so we're gonna curve a line down for the back of the neck. And then we're gonna draw a rainbow for the top of its body. Good. And then we're gonna start here underneath the bottom of the head, and we're gonna come down, following the back of the neck. Good. And then we're gonna wrap it around for the chest. Okay, now sometimes our tails kind of come down like to a point like this. Some little feathers, and then we can go ahead and finish off the bottom of the body. Excellent. Now we all know the famous flamingo stance where we have one leg all the way down and then one bent. So let's go ahead and draw one leg. Now I'm just going to go off the bottom of the paper. If you want to draw, if you have more space than I do and you want to draw like a foot or something, you're more than welcome to. Now I'm going to draw the bent leg right here. So we're going to go out and in. Good. And then make that double thick with a second line. Now you can just leave it like that. I'm just going to leave mine like that. But if you did want to like bring in front here, you could draw a little foot. I'll just draw one just so you can see what I mean. Like if you wanted to draw a little foot coming in front, you're more than welcome to. All right, now we need a wing. So let's go ahead and start inside the body and draw a curved line for the bottom of the wing. And then we're going to draw a curved line for the top of the wing, kind of like a teardrop shape. Now you could draw your feathers however you want, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curved line about halfway across the wing. And then I'm just going to draw some little cute feathers on the back. And maybe a little cute feather or two on the front. All right, guys. Well, that was certainly easy. Now we're going to speed things up and we're going to color it in. You guys can color however you want. All right, let's color.
Well, that was fun. This is what I did. Please subscribe to our channel for more art videos coming your way. Bye.
Bye.